All right, let's talk a little bit about judicial review. This is something we've covered quite a bit. But obviously, since we're talking about the judicial system, it's probably pretty appropriate. So let's kind of do a quick review on what judicial review is if you don't remember. Remember, judicial review is the Supreme Court's ability to determine if something is constitutional or not. Usually, we're talking about laws. If a law is constitutional. Now, it could be any action of government. It could be, we've seen it with President Trump getting his executive orders overturned because they didn't feel like they were constitutional. It could be with something the bureaucracy does, the way they carry out a law. So judicial review could apply to a lot of different things, but usually when we talk about it in regards to laws. Now, because we do have this parallel system of justice, meaning we have state courts and we have federal courts, really judicial review could apply to state law as well. So if the state of Michigan makes a law that's bad, the Supreme Court could decide that, hey, what Michigan has done has been unconstitutional and that doesn't kind of meet our standards. So it doesn't have to be this national federal law. It could be anything. So judicial review is pretty big concept.